Hello everybody, welcome to Stories by Shelley. You have chosen the Yawning game. Oh, do you know what the Yawning game is and how to play it? So the Yawning game is yawning and seeing if you can get someone else to yawn with you. Our lovely book is written by Greg Gormley. Should we see if we can play the yawning game and how many times I can get you to yawn? Let's go. The yawning game. Dog woke up with a big, lazy yawn. What shall I do today? He asked himself as he stretched and yawned again. What should our puppy do today? Mole yawned too. Oh, interesting, thought Dog. An idea formed in his mind. The idea for a game. Spider was busy spinning her web. Went Dog to Spider, and immediately Spider started yawning too. She twisted her web into a comfy little hammock and settled down for a nap. It works, thought Dog. What are you up to, Dog? Asked Pig, who was having a little snack nearby. I'll show you, said Dog, and he yawned a huge yawn. Pig blinked his eyes and yawned back. Then he fell asleep, face down in his bucket. Oh. Dog really enjoyed his new game. Who's next, he thought. Pony was just about to leap a tall hedge when Dog appeared. Yawn, said Dog, as sleepily as he possibly could. And Pony didn't even get to the other side before he yawned too, and fell asleep on top of the hedge, dreaming happily of carrots and pear drops. Are you yawning? Are you yawning with Puppy too? It worked perfectly every time. Cat slept when she should be chasing mice. Fox was left dozing halfway through stealing the eggs from the chicken shed. Dog was delighted with himself. What a great game, he said. I'm going to wake everyone up and I can play the yawning game again. So Puppy is going to wake everybody up. Woof, 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 said Dog. And one by one the animals began to wake up. Yawn, went Spider. Yawn, went Pig. Stretch and yawn went Mole, Cat and Fox. And before Pony could even begin his yawn, Dog was fast asleep. Good night, Dog. Good night, Storytime friends. I hope you enjoyed our story and you weren't yawning too much. I hope to see you again on our next story time. Bye bye, everybody.